Yo guys, welcome back to another video. The last video I done a little TLC video on my interior, cleaned it all out. Let me show you what it looks like. Don't think I gave any afters, but yeah, look proper nice, clean. Ignore the mess, it was gonna be a messy regardless, but at least now I feel safer sitting inside. But yeah, now we're gonna be doing some TLC to the front of the car. So restoring these ugly ass headlights, like you can see the oxidation. It's been like what? Since the car was released in what, 2004? It's not been done. Yeah, saving this headlight is mad. And then yeah, just gonna fix up all the sticky tape and stuff. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do a proper job. So I got my 800 grit sandpaper, got my 2000 grit, got my water, and then I'm gonna polish it out. When you're using a variety of tools this test, so I've got two different types of polishes. I'm gonna test out. Obviously sticky stuff removed for this double tape. It is going to be a quick video, but yeah, we are with our lads. They're doing their disco valves on the BMWs. So happy I never had to do that on my car. But yeah, quick video. Let's start by taping everything up, masking off. I don't want to ruin the paint any more than it is. Well, I can, you know, I can't lie, because it's all cracked, faded, chipped. But I don't want it to look that bad. So yeah, let's start working on Vicky right now. Alright guys, we just got masked off. Well, I'm doing one side at a time. Decent job, I just don't want it around the bodywork when I do sand. I'm gonna start off 800, bottle of water, got some more water there. Yeah, just gonna scuff it down. Hopefully 800 should be enough, as it's not that bad, it's not yellowing. If it was like worse, I'll use 600. But yeah, let's go. Yeah, this is after like 2 passes of 800 grit. Dried it out, resprayed it. Tried to get rid of all of the problems with the top layer, but there is some which are embedded in. Hopefully once we have the 2K it'll clear it up, and then I'll see what needs to be like done again. Doing a couple like passes will help it out. But yeah, I'm on here with the 2K, which is that one, and then yeah, we'll see the process.
Looking at the clock, it's about that time. Can I introduce myself? I've been watching you from far, and it's been too long. Can I have the song? I just get so mesmerized when you up and against that pole.
So yeah, this is what it looks like after sanding down. So I've sanded around 4 times, 2 for each layer of grit. Looks decent. Obviously it's still hazed up because I need to polish it. Just comparison to the other one, you see this one with the oxidation lines there. Yeah, that especially on the side. Can't lie, sanding this bit was hard, but you know, polishing is going to be even harder. But yeah, now I'm going to start polishing. I'm going to try 2 different polishes, see which one works out better. Then if it's better, just use about both of them on both the headlights. But yeah, let's start doing that. We've got 2 different type of polishes we're going to try use. First one being Maguire's Plastic X. I think this one will work better. We'll try it. It works for headlights as well, which is important. The next one is the Manzana 3-in-1. This one also has wax built in, so it's gonna be decent. But yeah, we're gonna try that one first. So we brake cleaned it already. As you can see, it's hazed up again. That's because we've got no top coat. Got a fresh pad here. So yeah, we're gonna try doing like a medium speed, see how it works out. And obviously, if it is not working out, we might just up the speed, try a different polish, and see what's happening. So yeah.
pussy popping, but you're back in that handstands. I'm about to have a heart attack. Let me handle that. Can we go somewhere?
Okay guys, so we've done one headlight. Here it is, fully polished. You can see the proper reflection. You can see me in the camera. Yeah, like you can even see the bulbs and stuff. For fuck's sake. But yeah, like you can even see like the hexagons on the reflectors there. Yeah, then obviously compared to this one, like milky grey, whatnot, mad. But yeah, now I'm just gonna do the other one. But yeah, I think it makes a mad difference. Like makes the car look kind of newer. Looks like it's not being left in a dump. But yeah, like I'm proper happy with it. Obviously there is like little scratches which are proper embedded. If I had like a 400, 200 grit, would have cleaned them up. But at one point I'm gonna flip in, take them apart, spray the insides black and do the dim light. Hopefully police don't stop us. But yeah, at one point I am gonna take them apart, spray them black, do demon eyes. So when that does happen, I'm probably gonna change the front lens. We'll see when the time comes, or I might just get a tinted lens. We'll see. Yes, people finally completed it. They come out better than expected, because after cleaning the interior I saw like so many little cracks and stuff, scratches. I thought, you know what, maybe the exterior will be similar, especially the headlights, but check them out for yourself. They cleaned out quite well. I've done a few more passes of polish. As you can see, there are little like cracks and stuff, like little inside stuff that I can't really get rid of right now, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Fully done, both sides. See here, see the reflection and everything, like you see the sun. I'm gassed, I can't lie, I'm gassed. But yeah, they come out better than expected. Whilst I was here, I've done a quick engine bay clean up. I just cleaned up the box, the covers, anything I could like quickly do with a microfiber, just make it look nicer. But yeah, like once I changed out the emblems and stuff, it should look much better. But yeah, there's like a proper wide view for you. See from this angle. Yeah, proper. It makes a big difference. I know it's like a small little thing, but it does make a big difference on the car. But yeah, I'm gassed. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Try it on your own car if it is an old car, see how you like it. But yeah, I'll put all my like material and stuff down below. Hope you liked it. It's not really a tutorial, more like just me doing it. And yeah, before we go, I'm just going to show you what it looks like on high beams, on normal beams, and just the little toggles. So yeah, peace out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.